set of cough from allergies, I think.
Yeah, it's that dampness in the air too.
All right, let me go get my stuff, and we'll be ready to start here momentarily. Not too bad of a morning this morning.
Come here. Come here, bud. Come here. What's your water? Okay. I'm not gonna get you. Come here. Over here.
Well, let's see where we are today. Today is April the 28th. It's a Wednesday. We have a number of arraignments to do this morning. We have some pretrials, a couple of show cause, bench warrants for people that have failed to appear, and then we have some sentences at 11 o'clock, about 5 of them. Then we have a landlord-tenant hearing at 1:30 this afternoon. In the meantime, we'll wait for our customers to appear. Feels like Tuesday because I was returning from my trip on Monday, but it's Wednesday. Beautiful day. I rode my bike this morning. Saw 2 deer came out in front of me. I could hear their hoofs on the pavement. I don't know if they saw me, but they scared me.
Don't you remember Ken Nelson had an encounter?
Yeah, he got hit by that deer on 131. Yeah. You and I are probably the only two people that remember that.
Probably.
Like a lot of things around here.
Yeah, it's all. I guess my boss starts on Monday, right? Or do you know that?
Yeah, I was told. I haven't met him.
I haven't either.
I guess we'll see. I didn't get it. Yes, I did. I'm still struggling with these new driving records.
Well, they are kind of a pain. I don't really feel comfortable with them. I have the key on how to do it, but it doesn't match the actual record the way it's formatted. So it's kind of.
Well, we had that old key, which told us a lot of things, again, many years ago, but did they give you any offers on either of the arraignments?
No. Well, not that I know of. I didn't receive anything. I think are these the Burr Oak ones? Or is that tomorrow? I get confused too. So.
One is there is something from Andy in yesterday's email about Bressler. Let me look at that.
Yeah, I don't think I saw that.
Oh.
I missed it.
DWLS is the offer on Bressler.
Well, on his record, well, unless I'm reading it wrong, he only has an FCJ that out of Wayne County that he needs.
He said he has several suspensions from Romulus. Let's take a look at it.
I think they're FCJs. If you
Romulus is the actual address of the Detroit airport.
I believe, and I only noted one FCJ, and that, again, I may not be reading the record totally right.
Well, here.
And he's been expired for a while, but that's.
Earlier, he offered allow another to violate the motor vehicle code, according to notes. Yeah. I think the first note is correct. Still no customers. Well, went through a party and nobody came.
That happens a lot lately.
Yes? Yes, it does. Not a very fun party.
Must be the host, right?
Yeah, I think it must be. It looks like I'm gonna have several polycoms, several people that have been AWOL for a while got picked up last night, at least 3 people that failed to appear for one thing or another. This is gonna be a stretched out morning because we've got just these 2 brief arraignments and we've got the pretrials at 8:30. Then we've got some PVs at 9. There's gonna be a lot of dead air here this morning, I fear.
I better give my laptop some juice. I'm about to run out.
I had a guy yesterday, he had like 5% power. We managed to finish what we needed to do. Let's see if I have numbers for these people. No. I do for restraint. Yeah, both of these are ordinance cases.
Yeah.
No, one's Sturgis,
Oh, no.
TJ Reed.
Oh, well, okay, they're
One is
ordinance.
Sturgis, and one is White Pigeon,
White
it's accidentally set on a Wednesday. Here is Mr. Reed. Good morning.
Morning.
Jeanette threw a party and no one came, except you.
Hey, I'm here. Well, heck, I didn't have to drive all the way to Sturgis.
Hey,
Uh,
did you put in a new garage door?
Yes.
I thought so, but I wasn't sure. Going, am I that non-observant? But okay.
No, we just put a new garage door, and we're putting. I've got to do the trim around it. I bought new trim to go around it. So
Yeah, I like that door. Yeah.
Thank you. I take
TJ,
credit, but my wife designed it and picked it out. We ordered it in October, and we just got it like.
Wow. That took. Glad you weren't in a hurry.
Yeah.
TJ, I never see you anymore. I was gonna ask Rob to do this. I'm gonna ask you as my backup. I need to have somebody pick up the Liberty plaque,
Yeah.
Liberty Bell plaque at the trophy house before Monday.
Okay. I can
But-
try to. Is it ready?
I'll email him today.
Okay.
I think it is. I sent it to him. All right, thanks.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna.
Are you around later today? I have a phone call with you. I've got a unique sobriety court question for you.
Yeah, I'll be here all day,
Okay.
every day. Next 20 years.
20 years. You put the oxygen machine in there. It'd be a pressurized cabin.
I'm almost ready now.
It'd be like
Still plugged
is it
in.
Judge Hogue from Nothing But Trouble. What was the judge's name from Nothing But Trouble?
I don't remember nothing but trouble.
It had Demi Moore. I think Dan Aykroyd played the judge.
I don't think I saw that. My favorite movie judge is Fred Gwynn in My Cousin Vinny.
Oh, that was a great film.
Yes.
In fact, it's one of the best legal films. But he was great. Little follow-up on his Herman Munster.
I just watched it not too long ago, within the last year during shutdown. I watched that again.
Well, I'm not sure what we got. Okay.
So uninviting, nobody wanted to show up.
No, I'm going to call Miss Drain here in a moment. All right. Something's up here. I can't. All right. She's not out of bed yet. Let's call her. 1000 East Lafayette Street. Kind of early.
Well, it just went
You know, I
dead.
get a lot of those. It rings a few times and it just stops.
Well, they may adhere to Judge Tomlinson's view
What's that?
that it's uncivilized to start court before 9 a.m.
He's probably right.
I think he is correct.
This is a holdover from Judge McManus. Not a lot of courts start at 8:15.
No,
I'm in here before 8 and turn everything on. We get a lot done between 8 and 9. Ted Tucker was of that view. He didn't open his office till 9. Well, we haven't accomplished much of anything. Miss Drain failed to appear and failed to answer her phone, so I drive over to her house, knock on her door, and tell her that she was supposed to be here. She already no-showed once. She was confused about Zoom. Needs to be on a Wednesday, so we set it specifically on this date for her. She has several $100s of unpaid tickets. $720.
She has this. She's been expired for, I think, well, just
A long time.
Well, not quite 2 years. So.
All right, we'll turn the record on. In case she logs in after I let you go, is there any offer? She has 2 unpaid, no proof of insurance tickets from 2018 and a booking fee,
She
which totals.
may have child support issues that I couldn't tell from the record, which may be her bigger problem, but I couldn't figure it out exactly.
yeah, I think there's bigger issues here. This is one where
Is there any offer?
As charged.
All right.
You know, I think in reality too, this one here was one where there was no insurance either because the registration was all goofy on the vehicle. And
Yeah,
the new excuse is, well, I just bought the car and can't get to the Secretary of State. which sometimes is true, but it's also becoming more and more of a.
I've been able to get the Secretary of State for the last 9 years.
Yep.
All right, no offer at this time. It's her second fail to appear. We specifically set this time and date for her convenience, and I guess it wasn't very convenient.
All right.
All right, well, there's really not much to do. There's no offer, so.
I've got an
she does
8:30
show up.
pre-trial with Matt anyway, so if you want
All
to.
right. Yeah, you've got a couple. We've got Jason Walters and Samantha Walbeck. Yeah.
Are
All
you
right,
doing
well,
them or
I'll
is
be-
Matt doing them?
What?
Are you doing them or is Matt doing them?
No, Matt's doing them.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna log off then.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I'll let you know about that plaque.
Yeah, let me know.
And Jeanette, Mr. Bressler fails to appear.
Okay. Okay. Well,
I've got 8:30 pre-trials. I'm just gonna sit here and occupy this chair for a while. I've got several other things coming up.
well, I shall see you tomorrow. There's a bigger docket tomorrow, so.
All right, thanks. I'll
Yeah,
email
Mark.
if something comes in. All right, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, we only had a few arraignments today and none of the defendants appeared. They may show up late. We have several other matters set for pretrial here in a few moments, but they take a while to do. We have some other things not set till 9, so we've got some dead time in here. Meantime, I'm going to look at the files. Well, I'm going to stop the live stream feed here. There's nothing happening except me sitting here. So I'll stop the live feed and I'll resume when somebody shows up, which probably will be between now and